All right, so we're here in Pioche, Nevada. We're taking a look at the Vault, which is a up-and-coming hair salon. It's actually an old bank, so hence the name The Vault. They still have the original vault door in there that is really amazing. What we've got is, we've worked on this unit before. The unit will heat. It's a dual fuel system, package unit. They're kind of rare, but the system has propane heat and it is a heat pump. So the problem that we're experiencing right now is that the blower motor has stopped running. So they can hear it running in heat, they can get the heat pump to turn on, but it will not produce any air movement. This is a motor that is not in stock. It's like a couple of $1,000 and it's a week and a half out. We're here with an Ecm repair kit, a couple of other items that we think it might be. We're gonna take a look at it and see if we can get it resolved today for them so that they can heat up their salon. Let's take a look. Vault door.
It's sick. Wow. Can you explain it?
Yeah. You guys actually utilize the room, huh?
Yeah.
Really cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave the fan in the on position. That way we can go up there and see why the fan's not operating. I've got the mode off, actually, so it doesn't try to turn the heater on. This wall is completely concrete and it's thick. So when you're putting this thermostat on, I had to hammer drill into that to mount that thing, but cool electrical panel that they've kept here. Old school. All right, let's go up on the roof. Cool old buildings, huh? I can't believe somebody made a little walkway. I was literally here like a week ago. We could go inside and let them know that we're gonna be up there. You'd slip and slide, and wound up on the ground. Usually they're furnaces or they're heat pumps. This guy is both. Oddly enough. I'm just looking to see if I can find any wires that might be burned up or something on here. And motor. How to get this out, I don't know, but those plugs are kind of suspicious looking. See how it looks like it's like melted down. That's really odd. All right, so this is what they call an Ecm motor. They have a part in here that's a common failure item. And I'm hoping that that's what has failed in this. So these are capacitors here. If these go bad, you'll see they're like super bulged up. And this is what we'll be repairing. And it's hard to see, but you can see that that's disconnected. I can slip my knife in between those two. Without that, this whole thing won't work. So I believe we'll be able to repair this and get these guys operational. I believe it's an MOV, looks like an MOV. If it's not an MOV, leave a comment in the description below and then we'll know what to call it exactly. Strange why these things fail. Somebody said it's due to dirty air filters, somebody at the supply store. Never heard that before, but maintenance is key. So as you can tell, I've had this Weller soldering gun for a long time, but it works great. Turn that on, let that start getting warmed up. Okay, so this is an ECM repair kit. You can see it comes with this little piece of wood here, and that piece of wood is what you're going to use to get that last little clip to collapse so you can pull the board out. All right, so now what we have to do is unsolder that part. So this little copper braided wire is just to remove solder. So you basically set a piece of it on the solder and it will basically consume all the solder into the wire that we're using. See the difference in size there. All right, and then what we'll do is we'll end up just clipping those off. So the length here will just clip off so that it doesn't arc out on anything.
How's your day?
Good, just out here in Pioche. Pioche. But like I said, if you open this up and you see these are all bulged out, this isn't gonna fix your problem. But luckily these all look good. These are just little capacitors. All the ECMs I've fixed in the past, I've replaced that and they've all worked fine. So I'm pretty confident, and especially I worked on this unit a couple of months ago and it's been running fine up until the fan stopped running. So they could have had a lightning strike that took that thing out. I'm not sure what caused them to fail. We've got this control board that just kind of lays here. Fan's running.
Yeah, it wasn't running before?
No, it wasn't running before.
Now it is.
She's running now. Okay, so came upon this unit. The blower motor was dead. We pulled it apart and found out that the ECM has an MOV in it that was popped apart. We bring an ECM repair kit with us, so we were able to unsolder the old one, solder the new one in, put it all back together, turn the system on. ECM turned right on, worked fine. So we've got it in the fan on position right now. Fan's running. We're gonna go back down to the thermostat, switch it back into the heating mode, make sure the heater turns on and that the blower's running, and that's a wrap.